Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're witnessing a significant moment for the Hürjet, the advanced jet trainer from Turkish Aerospace. In a demonstration of strong bilateral cooperation, the commander of the Turkish Air Force, General Ziya Cemal Kadıog, and Air General Francisco Braco Carbo, Chief of Staff of the Spanish Air and Space Force, conducted a joint flight in the Hürjet. His flight isn't just a symbolic gesture, it's a critical step in a larger plan. The Spanish Air Force is actively considering the Hürjet as a replacement for its aging F-5 jet trainers. This joint flight provides a first-hand experience for the Spanish Air Force Chief of Staff, allowing him to assess the Hürjet's capabilities directly. The Hürjet, designed to meet the demands of modern pilot training, offers significant advantages over the F-5. Its advanced avionics, powerful engines, and superior maneuverability make it an ideal platform for training the next generation of fighter pilots. This potential acquisition is further solidified by a Memorandum of Understanding, MO, already signed between Turkey and Spain, laying the groundwork for future cooperation and acquisition. This MO signifies the strong commitment of both nations to strengthening their defense partnership. This joint flight, coupled with the signed MO, positions the Hürjet as a strong contender to modernize the Spanish Air Force's training fleet. It also reinforces the Hürjet's position as a leading contender in the global jet trainer market. What are your thoughts on this potential acquisition and the growing cooperation between Turkey and Spain? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest advancements in Turkish defense and aerospace technology. See you in the next one.